Welcome again to my YouTube channel, guys. Today I want to show you guys on how you can easily create your PU Prime account step by step. Do well to subscribe, like and share this video to all your friends, community, anybody that needs this particular video. Just make sure to subscribe and watch this video to the end, and let's just jump into the video right now. The first thing you need to do is just click on the link below. The link is down below on the comments, on the description of this video. You're gonna see the link and everything. All right, it's that simple. So all what you need to do right now is to just make sure to put your name, your email address, your password and everything. Then you're gonna come to create an account, and make sure you tick all this area. I'm not a US resident. I agree to PU Prime using data or whatever. All right, just make sure to do that and click on this create an account. I'll do that right now in front of you. I'll just fill all my information for privacy. I may not show you that area. I'll just click on this create an account right now, and then I'll just continue with the video step by step, guys. Right now you can see they are saying thank you for signing up. Let's have create on that area. Then we're gonna try to proceed with the information right away. So right now I need to just make sure to fill everything here according to you put your number in this area. Not just make sure to put your number, your last name, if you are female, everything, your phone number, Nigerian, just make sure to put all the information according to your ID card. Don't do any mistake. Just make sure if you are a male, tick male. If you are female, tick female. Then put your last name, your father's name. Then make sure you put your date of birth and everything is correct. Don't do any single mistake. It's very, very important, guys. Then I'm gonna try to click on next right now. I'm gonna try to put all the information out. I'll now click on this next right away, guys. So right now, after I click on that area, you need to just make sure to select recommended type is an empty. Can you see? Just click area. We have MT4, we have, but right now we have MT5. Is very popular. Then make sure your account is on standard account. Then make sure you select USD. All right, you can see this is, we are using USD. All right, to as our account. Then make sure you click on this. By clicking this box, I agree to all the below terms and condition, wherever. Just make sure to click on this area. Is very, very important. Then you scroll down very well. Then you click on this next page. It's that simple. Then you're gonna do all the rest of the information, putting your verification, everything. Right now, first deposit are now possible. For transaction ID is required, so you need to just make sure to put all your information and everything in this area. Your ID card verification is very, very important. So you're gonna click on this ID verification right now to just make sure to upload it. They are going to ask you. All right, then they say let's get you verified. You need to just you provide personal information, proof of identity. Everything is very, very important. Then you click on this continue right now to do. Then make sure you click I consent to processing of my data. Then just make sure to click on this continue. All right, it's very, very important, guys. All right, so right now make sure you click on this continue right now. All right, click on continue to proceed. Make sure your name and everything is very, very important. Your middle name and everything is here like this. Then make sure everything is correct. I may not show you this area because of security reason and everything. Don't do any mistake. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to click on continue. Once I done it, I may not show you this area because it's very, very important area. All right, just make sure to click on this area. All right, after you successfully done it, is that simple. So on this area they ask you which kind of ID you want to use. We have driving license, we have an ID card, we have resident permit, we have passport. I just want to use what I want to use this particular one, ID card, as my verification. You have to just tick this area. You can see ID card. If you have driving license, you have anyone you like there. I think because I'm from Nigerian, you're gonna click on this continue button right now. Then you just make sure to upload all this ID. You upload the front, the back side of the ID card. Then you click on this continue button. Make sure you follow the process. Don't do any mistake. It's very, very important. Drag it and put it. Let me just do that right now for security reason. Right now, after uploading everything, you just click on this continue button right now. It's that simple. Then we are processing your data, personal information, identity document. Just make sure to stay on this area until you get verified. That's that simple. You didn't just, can you see your profile is being verified? It's that simple. You can now start to deposit money into your account. It's that simple. No any other process again. So if you want to just make a deposit, the process may take 30 minutes, and up to 24 hours after approval, you can trade. It's that simple. ID is in via review. I think it's been processed already. It's that simple. It's that simple. It's been verified already. The account is being verified, which means you can easily just trade. I just got an email that the account is been successfully verified. No any other issue again. I can just try to. I've even sent me my MT4 MT5 ID. It's that simple. Then you click on deposit to make a deposit to your account. If you want to use Binance account, can you see? Let's say you want to go for, you can deposit and start trading. It's just simple. Then you come to this area. Let's say you want to start with $500. You put it there. You click on continue. Then you start trading immediately. No any other issue with this process again. Yeah, it's that simple. Then you're gonna try to come to this area. You put in either BEP20 wallet. You click on continue. It's that simple and easy. Very simple and easy. All right, can you see? Right, it's that simple. Then you fund it, you click on submit, you point. It's that simple. So thank you guys for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to this YouTube channel and like and share this video, and I'll show you how to log into your MT5 and MT. Once they'll send it to your email address, how to use your MT5 and MT4, how to log into your MT5 successfully. It's that simple. It's that simple. They will send it to your email. Just make sure to copy it and log into your account. So thank you guys for watching the video. Bye for now, guys.